Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain the most expected university questions from the subject Logistics and Supply Chain Management for MCom 3rd semester, CSJMU Kanpur, and also for Agra University, BHU, and other universities. We will cover all 5 units. Let's begin. Unit 1. Introduction Basics. Question 1. Define supply chain management. Explain its evolution, importance, and scope. Here, you must define SCM. Explain how SCM evolved over time. Describe why it is important in modern business, and mention its broad scope covering procurement, production, logistics, and customer satisfaction. Question 2. Explain the concept of logistics. Differentiate between logistics and supply chain management. In your answer, explain what logistics means, mainly movement, storage, and distribution of goods, and then differentiate it from SCM, which is broader and includes coordination, planning, and integration of all processes. Question 3. Discuss the major functions of supply chain management. Functions include purchasing, manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, inventory control, forecasting, and customer service. This is a very important question. Question 4. What is logistics mix? Describe its components. Here you explain the logistics mix elements like transportation, inventory, warehousing, material handling, packaging, and information flow. Question 5. Explain supply chain drivers with examples. Supply chain drivers include facilities, inventory, transportation, information, sourcing, and pricing. Give examples for each. Question 6. Discuss the role of logistics at macro and micro levels. Macro level means national or economy level impact. Micro level means firm level efficiency and cost reduction. Question 7. Describe SCM as a management philosophy. Explain how SCM is not just a function, but a holistic philosophy focused on integration, coordination, and continuous improvement. Unit 2. Metrics, KPIs. Purchasing improvement. Question 8. What are supply chain metrics? Explain any 5 KPI in detail. KPI measures supply chain performance. Important KPI. Order accuracy. On-time delivery. Inventory turnover. Fill rate. Warehousing cost. This is one of the most expected questions. Question 9. Explain performance measurement and continuous improvement in SCM. Talk about how companies measure performance and improve it through Lean, Six Sigma, total quality management, etc. Question 10. Discuss the strategic role of purchasing in supply chain. Explain how purchasing affects cost, quality, relationships, supplier selection, and the entire supply chain strategy. Question 11. Explain the product development process and its importance in SCM. Here you speak about idea generation, design, testing, manufacturing, and how SCM supports each stage. Unit 3. Relationship Management. Question 12. What is relationship marketing in SCM? Explain its role. Explain how building trust, long-term relationships, and collaboration improves supply chain performance. Question 13. Describe supplier, retailer collaboration with suitable examples. Examples: Walmart, PG, Amazon, logistics partners, etc. Talk about shared data and joint decision-making. Question 14. Write short notes on A. Captive buyers, B. Strategic partnerships. Explain dependent buyer-supplier relationships and long-term strategic alliances. Question 15. Explain the importance of managing supplier and customer relationships. Discuss how relationships reduce cost, improve quality, enhance communication, and build trust. Unit 4. Transportation, warehousing, inventory Jeet. Question 16. Explain the importance of an effective transportation system in logistics. Talk about time, cost, reliability, delivery speed, and service level. Question 17. What is warehousing? Explain the reasons and location strategies for warehousing. Reasons include storage, protection, seasonal goods, and consolidation. Location strategies include proximity to markets, transport availability, land cost, etc. Question 18. Discuss the principles and approaches of inventory management. Include EOQ, ABC, JEET, VED, and other methods. Question 19. Explain inventory categories, ECQ, LT, ICC. ECQ means economic cycle quantity. LT means lead time inventory. ICC means inventory carrying cost. Question 20. What is JEET? Explain JEET purchasing, manufacturing, and inbound logistics. JEET aims to reduce inventory and waste by purchasing and producing only when needed. Question 21. Write a note on packing and marking in logistics. Talk about protection, branding, handling instructions, and safety. Unit 5. Outsourcing, Green SCM, e-commerce logis. Ticks. Question 22. What is third-party and fourth-party logistics, 3PL, 4PL? Explain challenges and future directions. 3PL handles outsourced logistics functions. 4PL controls the entire supply chain. Challenges include cost, coordination, and technology integration. Question 23. Explain reverse logistics with advantages. Reverse logistics deals with returns, recycling, repair, and waste reduction. Question 24. What is green supply chain management? Explain its benefits. Include eco-friendly practices, reduced pollution, energy saving, cost saving, and compliance. Question 25. Describe e-commerce logistics and its essential requirements. Includes last mile delivery, fast shipping, tracking, packaging, cord handling, and return management. Question 26. Write short notes on A. RFID, B. Barcoding, C. AD. RFID for radio tags, barcoding for scanning codes. Question 27. What do you mean by re-engineering the supply chain? Explain redesigning processes to improve speed, cost efficiency, and responsiveness. Before ending, here are the highly probable questions. Functions of SCM. Supply chain drivers. KPI in SCM. Strategic role of purchasing. Supplier, retailer collaboration. Warehousing location strategies. JEET inventory approaches. 3PL versus 4PL. Green supply chain. E-commerce logistics plus RFID, or AD. And that's all for today's video. We covered all units and all expected questions for your university exams. If you want complete notes, PPTs, MCQs, or long answers, comment yes full notes and I will upload them for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and all the best for your exams.